Hey there, Ben Lepper here. I have an awesome new robot I want to show you. Go ahead and check out Fireball. Now, if you're looking at this robot, you're thinking, hey, maybe this robot's something I'm interested in building. There's actually a bunch of details on how to build this. I've got step-by-step instructions for part of it and images for the other part. You can go ahead and click the link underneath this video. I'll send you all the details. Now, this robot is special because it's built from the instructions on VEX's website. That makes it fully competition legal and a whole lot easier to build, especially if this is one of your first robots. So here's how it works. Basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be building the catapult mechanism from a robot called Swish. It's a few years old. And then you're going to be building the claw from the clawbot. And then you're just going to go ahead and add a drivetrain to it. I've got, a very standard drivetrain on this thing. I'll show you details of that. That way you can go ahead and put this together. And then once you have the catapult from Swish, the drive base from this robot, and the claw from the clawbot, that's all it takes, and you've got yourself a catapult. Two of those three things have step-by-step instructions. The drive base is pretty straightforward. So, like I said before, if you're interested in building a robot like this, there's a link underneath this video. Go ahead and click it. I'll send you a bunch of details. Other than that, thanks so much for watching. Go ahead, like and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see what you build this year.